Welcome back to Adams Automotive. Today we're out here working on my 2000 F-350 7.3 Power Stroke. This is a truck that I normally show on this channel, and today we're going to be changing out these headlights. So these are 6.0 Power Stroke headlights on my 7.3. If you're looking how to fit them or cut the header panel, this is not the video for you. Today we're literally just going to be unbolting them and putting different ones in. So we got two little 8mm up top here. And mine are not the right bolts, I don't think. They're just a little Phillips head on this side. Then on this side, they're 7/16 bolts. But we'll show you what we got. So these are my LED. I think they're from Headlight. You can see them in there. They're all switchback lights. But these ones are black, and we're going to be trading them out for these all chrome versions of the 6.0 Power Stroke headlights. So let's get to it. Real quick before we take the headlights out, I forgot to mention, take these 4 Phillips head screws out of your grill, and you got to pull your grill off first. I was just trying to take it off and I forgot that they overlap right here. So let's get this grill removed, then this headlight's ready to come out. Something must have bumped into my header panel here. That side's completely broken, and so is this side. That was not like it when I ran these LEDs up through here. Ran the wires right past it and it was not cracked, so somebody must have hit it. Maybe it was me when I was working on it, I don't really know. Might have bumped it with my knee climbing up there, but my grill's not cracked, just the header panel is, so it's kind of weird. I wonder if it happened in the sand dunes. Interesting. But anyway, got the 2 top bolts out, 2 screws in the bottom. Now as you can see, the headlight's loose. You got to get 2 hands on it and kind of swiggle it out and unplug your lights. So we got the 1 headlight on driver's side. Take a quick little peek. Looks pretty good so far. Just turned on the lights, made sure everything was plugged in right. Pretty basic, like I was saying. Oh, this tab broke, so I'm not putting that screw back in. This fiberglass header panel is getting pretty old and fragile, so might be replacing that soon. But we got this one on. Got the screws back in the bottom. Everything's plugged in. Looks pretty cool, I think. I think it looks better than the black, which these looked amazing compared to what was on the truck when I bought it. But time for something new. Get the chromers on there, so we'll get this one changed out, and we should be looking pretty cool. So here's a quick little trick. This is the main headlight, H13, so you know they're the right one. But if you're having a lot of trouble getting, especially these LEDs, getting them to get down in there and twist, lock in so they don't wiggle back out when you're hitting the potholes and going down the road. They have a seal on them, and so does the headlight. So peel this seal right off just for now, put it back on when you're done, but it gives you this open area because sometimes it overlaps and you can't get it on there. And also the headlight itself has a seal. So what you're gonna do is put your palm on it, push down pretty hard. I mean, not super hard, everything here is just plastic, so you don't wanna break it. But push it down, you can see that seal collapse. And then with your right hand, or if you're left-handed, whatever, put your one hand here, whatever hand, your non-dominant hand or whatever hand you want, doesn't really matter. Push down on it till that seal collapses, and then get you some channel locks, and just grab this and slowly twist it. If you're starting to twist and it doesn't move, stop before you break something, but it should twist pretty easy. You just grab it nice and slow and it should start coming, and then it'll go about maybe an 1/8 to a 1/4 turn and stop, and it's locked in. That's all you need to do. So if you're struggling to get your bulbs in, it's a quick little tip. And then now that I'm done, I can put this seal back on there and push it back down. We got both the headlights installed. Kind of a pain in the butt with that setup I got going on with those bolts. So we'll probably change that eventually. Oh, the gap right here on this fender looks like perfect. And I think this fender's bent a little bit or something, because it's quite the gap there. I mean, I can put my whole finger in there. So I'm not really too sure what's going on there. We'll check it out sometime, I guess. Last step is to put this grill back on. Slides right on. You're supposed to have clips down in here, but mine are broken. I feel like everything on plastic on this truck is broken, but it is 25 years old, so can't win them all. But we're getting there, so I'm just gonna get these started real quick, and then we'll back up and see how it looks with the grill on there. I want to get an all chrome grill. Get rid of this black plastic. It's not even black, it's just painted. Get rid of that and have an old chrome grill. This is the way I bought it though, so so far, I think it looks a lot better. So we'll get this bolted up and close the hood. So here's the final product. Just got them all finished up. I think they look a lot better than the black ones do. And we'll get a little edit here to end the video.